I'm going to show you the pinholes and the pins. Okay, for assembly, we are going to align the mounting pinholes to the pin brackets on the arms. And there's 4 of those located down the length of the machine. So we're going to grab our accumulation tray assembly. Drop those on the pin. Okay. Now we can reconnect our airline. We can come back, grabbing our sensor cable and inserting it in while screwing it in, and then realigning our black and clear transfer dump tray lines, and coming back and connecting our rear coil sensor. Then at this point, you can also add the coil catch tray.
Yep.